Uh, most everybody do that. I see some young teenagers, they put money there. Cryptos, buy BTC, all these other coin,
Yeah.
Dogecoin. If it's going up, they leave it. They are happy, and they don't know when to pull the money out. They don't know when to take profit. They don't know stop loss. They just, everybody's doing
I
it.
actually lose on it. Like when we are buying it, then I think it's in 2022 or 2021.
Drink of it.
Yeah, so it dropped around 2023. Everything just plumped. I lose up to probably $9,000. If I'm not
You
mistaken.
see? Yeah, I know. Sorry about that. That's gambling. Some people do it as gambling. But nevertheless, you're at the right place, to do it properly, do the analysis, even if you want to do it from the technical analysis for forex, which I'm gonna guide you. You can still do the crypto, but now you do it like in a professional way. Like, you do the analysis, know when to get in, when to go out, you know.
Right.
Yeah, so all right, no worry. You're welcome.
Thank you.
Yeah. Okay, Femi, the other guys they say they're having exams, so they're not gonna join, but I'm gonna send them. It's recorded, so I'll
Okay.
send them the video later.
Okay.
Mm. So have you checked it? The targets?
So what I'm looking at the target I see is I think is 10%.
Okay, yeah,
Yeah,
I
because I
thought
see
as much.
profit
Usually,
share.
yeah, it's eight, but because of the bonus they are doing Black Friday, I thought as much they may increase it a little bit because it's crazy
Yeah,
cheap, really.
yeah, so the target is $10,000.
So 10, so yeah, so you're gonna make 10,000. You know,
Yeah.
don't rush, take your time.
Oh no, no, no.
Yeah.
As long as I mean there's no set time to
Yeah,
make
it's
that 10,000.
unlimited, yes. No
Yeah,
set time.
it's unlimited. So I'm just gonna take it, because I see that time limit, they put it there as unlimited.
Yeah,
So
take your
I'm
time.
just
Like
gonna
if you
push
get
it.
it, it's an ATM machine, right?
So
Yes.
you know what, the
Gonna
thing
call it.
is, instead of me, especially that gold, instead of me to do at least maybe 0 point, maybe to do like maybe one or something in the leverage. I don't know the leverage to put down because I don't know how the drawdown will be. I was putting like 0.5, 0.1, 0.3, just trying to be cautious.
I know, I know.
Yeah.
Okay. The
So,
easy way trading prop firm is totally different from when you trading the broker account. Like
yeah,
I told you, there's a lot of restriction on prop firm, a lot of drawdown, a lot of they make it so tight,
yeah,
that that is difficult for you to pass. But prop firm, the reason for the whole thing behind prop firm is for people that know how to trade. So
very well,
yeah,
yeah.
you know how to trade. You don't have money, come, we give you money. As long as you show us the first challenge, second challenge, how to trade, then we fund it for you. We share split the profits. So that is the background, the whole thing. But now everybody you can buy, follow the signal, right? Join mentorship and using the signal to pass it.
Hmm.
Yeah, so is allowed, right?
Yeah.
So yeah, so using no asking ask a question about the lot size to use. So the only thing how to trade profit is that use small lot size first, right? Like
Mhm.
using 0.1 or 0.05. When the trade start moving towards your favor, increase the lot size gradually
Okay.
and
To
stack.
when I increase it now from that one, how much do you think I should increase it to?
Yes, so that's why I want to share my screen so that I can type, so I can explain to you properly. Uh, how to share the screen. So if you see it, let me know.
Yeah, I see it now.
Okay, we have 100K.
Yeah.
Okay. And do you know the daily drawdown?
Daily drawdown is 4%.
4%.
Yes.
Okay.
And the
Max
maximum is 6.
and target.
Target is 10%. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Okay. So this is for the phase one, right? So you
Yeah.
know that when you pass phase one, then phase two is different. It's more lower, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So um so we use daily drawdown, okay, which is 4%. So which is 4% of 100K will give you 4,000.
Okay, yes.
So in a day, do not lose 4,000.
Yeah.
So if you lose 4,000 in a day, you blow the air.
Upload, yes.
Yes, you blow the account. All right. And I
Yes.
think this W funded, they give you back the money you used to buy it when you pass the first, you get funded.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, yeah, they give you back. Okay.
Nice. So
Yeah,
once I pass the second stage, they
yeah,
will give you the money back.
yeah. It's written there. Yes, I saw it that day you showed me. Yeah, it's
Oh,
written.
okay.
They'll give you the money back. Yeah, yeah. Okay, so 4K. So let's say this 4K now, we divide it into, let's say, into five. So why five? Five is your life. Let's say you have 5 life.
Okay.
All right,
Okay.
for the trade. So if you lose that 5 life, the
It's
whole thing
over.
is blown. Yes. So this is how to trade profit. Whatever is 50K, 25K, this is how to plan your trade.
Okay.
Yeah. So you do 4K divided by 5 life. You can do 4 life, you can do five, you can do 3 life, but the risk gonna be high.
If it's lower than 5.
Yes, it's lower than five. Yeah, you got it. Yeah. So we have 800.
Yes.
Okay, Mohammed, I'm gonna come to you. Like maybe things we are doing is a little bit gonna be confusing with you, but we're gonna start basic.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, yeah, later on. But just be watching. This is our second class, though.
Okay.
Yeah, some people couldn't make it today because they are writing exams. So we will share the recorded video to them.
Okay.
Mm.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, yeah, I'm hearing you. Can you hear
Oh,
me?
yeah, yes, I can hear you.
Yeah, perfect. Okay, so Femi, you have 800 life. That's
Yeah.
what you have. Okay. One, two, three, four, five. Okay. So let's say your first trade now. So it's gonna be risking stop loss. You're gonna be risking like 20% stop loss. Okay. So you
Mhm.
do 800. Okay.
Yeah.
800 divided by 20. 20. How you do it again? 800 divided by, it's gonna be too much. It's gonna be 4%, really. It's gonna be, sorry, the risk is gonna be 4. It's gonna be too much.
Okay.
Yeah. I want in a way you can do like 0.1 or 0.4.
Okay.
Yeah. Uh, so stop loss is 20 pips. Okay. So 20 pips divided by 20. So it's gonna be in percentage, which is 200. And it's too much. Divided by, so that means you're gonna be risking, 4.
Four. Yeah.
Yes, which is too much. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So let's do it. Let's do it. You have 7 life. Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
4,000 divided by 8 life. So which is 500. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, 500 divided by. Okay. So let's do it 800 divided by 8 life. Okay.
Okay.
So each life comes 500. Okay.
Yes.
Tell me if I'm making sense. So
Yeah.
yes, then you're gonna be using 20 pips stop loss divided by 20 pips stop loss. But this stop loss is always in percentage, so you put another 0.
Yeah.
So giving you is giving you 2.5 risk. So this is the loss side you're supposed to be using. All right. So
Mm-hmm.
just have this thing in mind. This is the losser you're supposed to be using. But before you start using this thing, or you see a signal or something, you just try with 0.05 loss,
Okay.
just to nurture the trade first.
Mm-hmm.
The trade gonna go against you or in your favor. So if you're
Yeah.
going against you, then meaning that you're protecting the capital, you are not trading, you are not losing too much capital, and
Correct.
you just close it. Okay. Then
Mm-hmm.
if you open 0.05 lot and it's going in your favor, then you can just double it, right? You can just use 1.75. Then
Okay.
watch it first as well. Add and be quiet, watch it. Then when it pull back, then you can now go for 2.5.
Maximum three entries.
Say that again. Three what?
Is it a maximum of like three entries?
Okay, yeah, you can stack it, yeah, like a maximum of 3, right? Yeah, you can stack 3 or 4. Just 3 is okay until you're comfortable with it.
Okay.
Yeah, so that you don't over leverage. And
Yeah.
yeah, yeah. So this is how you plan it. Even if you have 50K account, if you have 25K account, still the same thing. Just divide the life, so that you, even if you lose the first trade, so you know that you still have another life again.
Well, yeah.
Yeah, to go, right?
Yeah.
Yes. But so if you lose all this life, lose this one, then you blow the account. The
Yeah.
profit is gone. So, but at least you have an opportunity to trade. You trade until 5 life. So within that 5 life, at least something good will happen, right?
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah. So this is how I'm gonna delete it. Okay. And share my screen. All right. So just to recap what we did last week. All right. Okay, we studied support and resistance last week. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, we identified the swing high and swing low using the trend line. Okay.
Yes.
Reaction zone where price is, stall, reject, or break. Confluence zone with multiple confirmation, using SMC. So today we're gonna be, talking much about supply and demand.
Okay.
Yeah, I wish the other guy is here. He asked question about supply and demand, which I told him he's gonna be in the next class, but I will send the video to him.
Okay.
Yeah, so we're gonna be discussing where this supply and demand is mostly where the institution buyers and sellers are sitting, where there is liquidity and money, right? And the last candlestick before strong impulsive. So these are just exercise. So we're gonna be mainly talking about today supply and demand and market manipulation as well. Okay, so let's quickly jump into the chart. Mohammed, have you downloaded so you are familiar with MT5 Trading View, right?
Yes, I downloaded it, then I'm watching the demo, but I've not really get it right.
Okay, okay, all right. Yeah, so yeah, you can just MT5 is, where we execute the trade. Then trading view is where we do the analysis.
So trading view is analysis and
Y-
MT5 is where we trade, right?
Yes, where you execute, where you fund your account with the broker, where you execute it, yeah, is the MT5. Yes,
Okay.
yes. So yeah, the MT5 usually is advisable to use a laptop, bigger screen. But I have both trading view in my laptop and also trading view in my on my phone as well. So you can still have it on your phone, but for a bigger screen to see a bigger candlesticks, just use
Yeah.
laptop, yeah, to do the analysis.
Bigger screen, like TV screen, right?
Yeah, I wish you can use that one. Well, you can start with the laptop or the monitor.
All right.
Yes, with time when money start coming, people use a bigger, like all
Bigger
these
screen, like
slide.
watching it,
Huh?
yeah.
Yes, all this sliding this thing to see the you know. Yeah, you are right. Okay. Where did I want to do now? It's not this one. I want to share my screen, so yes, I'm putting the wrong one. Give me 1 second. Okay. Okay. Just know that if this 40 minutes, elapses, I will send another link.
But yeah, I know.
Yeah. All right. Okay. You can see it, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. All right. So let's talk about supply and demand. Okay. So this is trading view.
Yeah.
Yeah. Mariam Dad, welcome. Somebody just joined.
Hmm.
Okay. All right. I'm gonna hide it and clear my charts. Okay. Okay. This is our supply. All right. Let's do it this way. So this is how markets move. All right. This is how candlesticks move. Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, lower low. All right.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is how markets always move. All right. So this is just to recap it, I'm coming to supply and demand, but just want to start here. This is higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Okay. So this is where the market shifts structure, right? Sellers are coming in. Okay. So on a very good day, we're supposed to have a higher high here. But the market, the price did not make a higher high. It now came here, make a higher low. So this is how you're gonna identify when the sellers are coming in. So these are all buyers are here. All right. So the buyers are in the higher high, higher low, higher high, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. So something happened here. This is supposed to be a higher low here, but it didn't make a higher low. It came down, the price came down here, boom, all the way down here. And will become a lower low. So this is how to spot that market reversal. Okay. So there's a time you'll be buying and buying and buying. Suddenly sellers start coming in. So you're gonna see the market gonna boom. Then meaning that sellers is coming in now. All right. It's supposed to be a higher high here, but it didn't make a higher high, it come down here, make a lower high. So therefore, when it make a lower high, here now become our supply. Okay, so we sell from the
Okay.
supply. Yes, we sell from here, from the premium discount from the here. So here become our supply. Okay, so we now go here. Sellers are coming in. So become a lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Okay, lower low. All right.
Yeah.
Is it making sense? So this is how the market goes, right? This is how you spot out the market. So this one became our demand zone. So anytime price come to the supply zone, it's gonna sell, right? So this, when the seller comes here, we'll continue again. Then you make a W pattern here. We'll continue again to buy.
Okay.
So we have 10 minutes. So 10 minutes, I'm gonna send another link. I have 10 minutes left.
Okay.
Yeah, so buyers are coming in. So when buyers reach here again, we'll continue. So let me not confuse you. Let's stop here. Is it making sense? So this is also how to spot that market reversal, right? And as well, you can use your trend line here. So this is how to trade supply and demand. Okay?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. So this is your supply. This is your demand. So anytime the market come here, since this is your supply, so supply is where the institutional trader, this is where sellers are sitting most. So anytime with the price get here, it will start again, make it double top, and it start coming down again, just like that. All right.
So each time it reaches the supply zone, it drops again, it comes down.
Exactly. Yeah. So this is how to trade it. Yeah. So what you're gonna do, you just put your, you know, you can just take a profit here. Some people that do swinging, they can hold this trade. This thing I'm telling you is on the daily time frame. So you can take up to like a month before getting to the supply. It's not something of a day. It takes some time, 3 weeks. So sometimes like daily trader like us, we just take our profits here. All right. So I'll take the profits here. Then wait for another pullback here. So when it comes here, we'll buy again. It comes here, we'll buy again. Buy. Okay. Okay. So I'm gonna send something to your phone now so that you can study it. All right. Yeah, something I so let me know when you get it. I'm sending this thing on your phone. Mohammed, I don't have your phone letter. You give it to me.
All
No,
right, I will.
what's up? Yeah. So Fabi, there's something I sent to you. So this is how market goes, right? So that's exactly what we are doing now. Did you get it? Any question so far?
Yes, I get it. So
Yeah.
another thing I'm asking now is if you look at the supply zone and you look at this demand zone,
Mm.
right, that means you could take it from demand zone, buy,
Yeah.
get to the supply zone, close positions,
Hmm.
sell again, wait for
Yes.
it to come down,
Yes.
close all positions.
Yes.
You could do that back and forth in a day.
In a day. Sometimes it's not, it doesn't take a day. Sometimes it takes long. Yeah,
Uh,
this is on daily time frame. On a day, it's gonna be like when you spot supply and demand on the lower time frame, but which is not strong. So on
mm,
4 hour, on daily time frame, on 2 hour, 1 hour, is always supply and demand is always strong.
mm,
Yes, so that's why I say just take your profits here. So maybe the next day or London session or the next day is gonna give you a pullback then. So pullback, it's gonna give you a pullback. You draw your trend line and wait for another buy here.
mm,
All right. So this thing take is a swing. It doesn't there are some people that all what they trade is supply and demand. I trade supply and demand too. So this is a strategy to take supply and demand. So this is where institutional traders are sitting for sales in supply. This is where buyers liquidity are more on buys on demand zone. So anytime you see price come to the supply, it's coming pulling that. You look for it touch here, do not sell immediately. Wait for double top. Wait for it to form M pattern. So
okay,
don't
okay.
trade the fake out. Then you can now join your sell. You know, you can now join the sell here. All right. So it's not that it touch immediately, then you start selling. You have to be patient and wait for double bottom. Sorry, wait for double top or inverse and head and shoulder. So our first class, we treated all those market structure, those inverse head and shoulder, double top, you know,
We did. Yeah,
double bottom and all those things, all those market structure.
yeah, double bottom, triple bottom as well.
Yes. So we did it on the first class, and the wage as well. Okay, so we treated the wage pattern and the flag pattern, right? And symmetric triangle. So these also can be, your wage pattern as well, all the way here. This also can be your wage pattern. All right. So for wage pattern, you wait for market to retest here. You wait for market to retest. So maybe you're asking for fake out. So fake out is this one. So when you shoot down here, you don't you don't start selling immediately. Just wait for it to pull back. Here,
Okay.
this is your entry here. So, some people that are amateur, they will put when the market starts selling, they will rush, enter sell. So, and the market will kick them out, and the right move will not come.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is the right move here, the big fish.
So you also have to make sure you join that trend from the top. It's better like that.
Yes, so we sell from the top, from the premium discount, right? So always make sure, wait for the correctional movement, the pullback here, then we sell. So if you join from the middle, like I told you, when I told you about signal and the market, it comes here, maybe you're taking shower, you're at work, and you join from here, it's not good. Just wait, always wait for a pullback,
Okay.
then before you join the signal. That is the best way.
Okay.
Yeah, so literally have this one at the back of your head. This is how market move. And this is also how to spot our supply demand, as well as how to spot our price reversal, right? So
Yeah.
sometimes you see you buying and buying, and anytime you're buying and suddenly you see this shoot come down, cross this higher low. On a very good day, it's supposed to make a higher high, but it didn't make a higher high. It came down here and make a lower low. So many sellers are coming in.
Yeah.
Okay. So the here now, because people that do SMC, they now say change of character, right? So they call it change of character. So meaning that the markets have shift character.
Is
Sellers.
that is that also known as break of structure?
Yes,
Or
break of structure. Yes, a change of
okay.
character. Yeah, break of structure is different. The break of structure this is break of structure here. This is break of structure here. This is break of structure here, which is the same thing with higher high, but
Hmm.
different strategy like SMC call it break of structure. So,
Yeah.
but supply demand trend line we call it higher high, higher low. So they are all the same thing. It's just the grammar.